In this video, we're going to be installing some custom BMW Roundels from Impulse Designs. Let's go. What's up everyone, I'm Steve and you're watching F33. Now if you like this video, give a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss when a new video drops. Now one of the last pieces of the BMW restoration is the BMW badge. Mine got pretty banged up in the accident and so I needed a new one. Now I was looking around for something cool because I just didn't want the regular BMW badge. I don't particularly like the chrome badging around it. I'm not a big fan of chrome. So I was looking around and I found on Instagram a company called Impulse Designs. Now they have custom airbrushed BMW Roundels and they are absolutely awesome. I love, basically they airbrushed all the chrome out so that it's black. The Roundels are not super expensive and I did get one for the front end as well as the back so that they match. I'm super excited to get these put on. It's a subtle change and I don't think that everybody's gonna notice, but it's something that's gonna set my build apart from someone else's. And you know, I may get some comments down below that, you know, this is just unneeded and you know, it's a waste of money, but that's what, you know, separates my build from yours. To each his own, you know, everybody likes their own thing, but I definitely like this. Now they do have other designs where they can black out actually the blue on here. They can do carbon fiber, all kinds of cool stuff. So be sure to check out Impulse Designs on Instagram and I'll put a link down below in the description to where you can find them and put in an order for yourself. They also do the floating center caps as well. So if that's something that interests you, you can get those blacked out as well. I'm not gonna do mine blacked out just because my wheels around that center cap are already chromed, so it blends in actually pretty well. We'll see, maybe I will change it, but right now I think it looks really good. So this is a super easy change, especially for the front end because I don't even have a badge on there, but generally it's a pretty easy change. You just need some fishing line and some trim tools and the back just literally pops off, so it's really easy. But why don't we head out to the garage and get these new badges from Impulse Designs installed. All right, so we're gonna start out with the rear roundel since I don't have a front one to take off to show you. So we're gonna do easy last. But with the rear, there's no 3M. It's literally just held on by two little grommets. So I'm just gonna stick a trim tool kind of behind. And we're just gonna pop it right off. Now be sure not to pull it too much from one side because you don't want to scratch your paint when it's coming off, you know, against anything, but you can see it's just held in, you know, with those two little grommets. So I'm gonna go get a cloth. I'm just gonna wipe down in there. There's no reason to leave it dirty. And then literally just pop the new one on. All right, so now that we got it all cleaned off, literally just pop it in. You'll see the two little prongs, just pop it right in. Boom. There you go. Oh, that looks really good. All right, so why don't we head over to the front and get that one put on. All right, so onto the front. So if you have a front emblem, like I said, it is held on with 3M. And there's also these two prongs. And so if you want to get that off, the best thing to do is to take some fishing line and slide the fishing line and kind of do a saw motion. But make sure if you're doing that you pull up with the fishing line as you're sawing. You don't want to do it towards the vehicle because you don't want to scratch the paint. So let's get this cleaned off with a little isopropyl alcohol. I use 70%. That way it's not as harsh. All right. All right, so let's get the adhesive backing off. Now it's got 3 prongs on the F32. You just have 2 that are used, and that's gonna help you line it up. Perfect. That looks really great. I'm really happy that I got these instead of the regular ones. These look really good. So as you saw, these custom Roundels from Impulse Designs look absolutely amazing, and I'm super happy to have them finally installed. Now I'm going to be sure to put a link down in the description below to where you can pick up a set for your ride. And I did ceramic coat these before I put them on, so just take a note. You might want to do that. Just helps them to keep a little cleaner. I try to do that for most of the parts that I put on my car. And I'll also be sure to put a link to what I use to ceramic coat as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, smash it if that's what you're into, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.